Welcome to Rock Your Fashion. What if I told you there's one dress that can take you from casual weekend errands to elegant dinner dates and help you hide that midsection, all while making you look effortlessly chic? And after 50, it just might become your ultimate style best friend. So let's check out 9 brilliant ways to style wrap dresses, look elegant, and hide that tummy, so you can feel confident, chic, and completely at ease in your own skin. And wait until you see tip number 7. It's pure Audrey Hepburn elegance. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. The magic of wrap dresses. Your ultimate confidence booster. Let's be real. Finding pieces that make us feel amazing after 50 can sometimes feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But here's where the wrap dress becomes your secret weapon for a flatter tummy. The wrap silhouette has this wonderful ability to flatter virtually every body type, especially when it comes to camouflaging the stomach area. The adjustable wrap design molds to your body, elongating your torso while the flowing fabric gently skims your silhouette, giving you that effortless confidence boost. No pulling, no tugging, no wondering if you chose the right size this morning. You get to choose the length that makes you feel most confident while keeping that tummy perfectly concealed. Whether you prefer a midi that hits mid-calf for that classic elegance, or a shorter version that shows off your beautiful legs, the wrap dress adapts to your height and personal style. Think of it as your personal stylist in dress form, always making you look your absolute best. The beauty lies in the adjustable sizing. Had a big dinner last night? No problem. Feeling particularly confident today? Cinch it tighter. This dress grows and adapts with you, which is exactly what we need after 50. Now let's see how your shoes can completely change the mood of your wrap dress. 2. The dress solo. Let your shoes tell the story. Now, let me show you how one dress can take you from casual coffee dates to elegant evening dinners, simply by switching up your shoes. Your beautiful wrap dress paired with white leather sneakers and a crossbody bag gives you that effortless weekend vibe that says you're put together but approachable. It's perfect for farmers markets, casual brunches, or those days when you want to look polished but feel comfortable without any stomach self-consciousness. When you swap those sneakers for nude block heels or elegant flats and add some delicate jewelry, you've transformed into dinner-ready elegance. Same dress, whole new vibe, still fabulously flattering. For special occasions, strappy sandals or pointed toe pumps work beautifully. The wrap dress with heels creates this gorgeous vertical line that's incredibly flattering, especially when you choose heels in a nude shade that elongates your legs. A wrap dress in a solid jewel tone like emerald, sapphire, or deep burgundy photographs beautifully and transitions seamlessly from day to night with just a shoe change. You've nailed the shoes, now let's talk belts. 3. The waist-defining belt, game changer. Sometimes we want to emphasize that beautiful waistline even more, and that's where a belt becomes your best styling friend. Here's the trick. Choose a belt that's slightly different from your dress color, but still complements it. If you're wearing a navy wrap dress, try a cognac leather belt. Wearing a printed wrap dress? A solid belt in one of the print colors will pull everything together beautifully. Pop your belt right at your natural waist, that little spot above your belly button where your body naturally curves in. It gives you that gorgeous hourglass shape and lets the fabric flow nicely over your tummy. If your wrap dress has a print, choose a belt width that balances the pattern. Busy print? Go for a medium width belt. Subtle pattern or solid color? You can play with wider statement belts that become part of the overall design. Here comes one of my absolute favorite style hacks, and no one will guess it's the same dress. 4. Turn your wrap dress into a skirt. Want more midsection coverage and a whole new outfit? Here's how it works. Wear your wrap dress as usual, then add a cardigan or jumper over the top. Suddenly, your dress becomes this beautiful flowing skirt, while the cardigan creates a completely new silhouette that's perfect for layering and provides excellent coverage over your midsection. This approach gives you a completely different look while maximizing your wardrobe. The wrap dress now functions as an elegant skirt with the most flattering A-line shape that hides your stomach area, while the cardigan on top adds warmth, texture, and visual interest. Throw a cozy knit cardigan over your printed wrap dress and you've got this chic, layered look that's perfect for those in-between seasons or even the office. Plus, that soft knit gives a little extra coverage around the tummy, so you feel comfy and confident. If you're enjoying these tips and feeling more confident already, subscribe and let's keep building your signature style. This next trick adds polish and pure power. 5. The jacket and belt combo. Effortless elegance. Want to elevate that wrap dress and skirt look even further? Here's how to style it. Layer a jacket or structured blazer over your wrap dress. Then cinch a belt over the jacket to define your waist and pull the whole look together. This trick instantly defines your silhouette, gives the outfit structure, and creates that I've got my life together vibe. Perfect for workdays, meetings, or anytime you want to look effortlessly sophisticated. The wrap dress brings that gorgeous fluid movement that skims the tummy area, while the tailored jacket sharpens the whole look. Want to take it to fashion editor status? Go for contrasting textures. Pair a soft, floaty dress with a crisp wool or tweed blazer. The blend of textures creates a refined, high-end finish. Suddenly, it looks like you've got a personal stylist, but it's just you, getting clever with a timeless classic. Let's take your wrap dress to work, and trust me, you'll own the room. 6. The work-ready blazer look. Professional Polish. Let's talk about taking your wrap dress to the office, because professional doesn't have to mean boring. The combination of a wrap dress with a tailored blazer gives you comfort and femininity while adding structure and authority. Your blazer becomes that reliable piece that's got your back and makes you look incredible doing it, while keeping your waistline perfectly concealed. For the perfect work look, try a solid-colored wrap dress in navy black or deep green, paired with a contrasting blazer. Navy dress with a cream blazer is absolutely stunning. Black dress with a soft grey blazer looks classic and powerful. Block heels or kitten heels work beautifully here. They give you height and elegance without sacrificing comfort. Choose a heel height that makes you feel confident, whether that's a 2-inch block heel or a subtle kitten heel. The key is in the proportions. If your wrap dress is more fitted, you can go for a slightly oversized blazer. If your dress is flowy, choose a more tailored blazer to balance the silhouette. Now this next look, it's timeless, chic, and very Audrey Hepburn. 7. Wrap dress plus trench coat, the elegant over 50 look. Can we talk about the absolute magic that happens when you pair a wrap dress with a classic trench coat? This combination creates pure elegance in motion. Whether you're heading to a sophisticated brunch or an art gallery opening, your wrap dress flows beautifully underneath your trench. And when you remove the coat, you're perfectly dressed for whatever the occasion calls for. The trench coat adds this wonderful layer of sophistication while protecting your beautiful dress. It's practical and elegant, exactly what we need in our wardrobes after 50. Choose a trench in a neutral colour like beige, navy, or olive green. These colours complement virtually any wrap dress, whether you're wearing a solid colour or a beautiful print. Belt your trench coat at the waist to echo the wrap styling of your dress underneath. This creates a cohesive, intentional look that appears effortless but is actually quite thoughtfully styled. This next trick might surprise you. 8. The wrap dress as a cardigan. Unexpected over 50 outfit trick. Now here's where your wrap dress becomes the hardest working piece in your wardrobe when you use it as an actual cardigan over completely different outfits, and it's brilliant for tummy concealment. Wearing your wrap dress over tailored trousers and a fitted tee gives you this beautiful flowing cardigan that adds movement and interest to a simple outfit while providing excellent coverage over your midsection. The wrap design means it drapes perfectly, never looking bulky or overwhelming. This also works beautifully over skirts. A pencil skirt with a simple blouse, topped with your wrap dress worn as a cardigan, creates this incredibly sophisticated layered look that's perfect for transitional weather. This might feel a bit unconventional at first, but once you try it, you'll wonder why you never thought of it before. It's like discovering you have an entirely new piece in your wardrobe. The key is choosing the right undergarments. Fitted pieces work best underneath, as they provide structure while letting the wrap dress cardigan provide the beautiful flowing silhouette. Now for the final touch, the color trick that ties your whole outfit together like a pro. 9. The belt color coordination secret. Want to know a simple trick that instantly elevates your wrap dress and costs you nothing extra? It's all in the belt. When you're wearing a wrap dress with a belt, try to echo that belt color somewhere else in your outfit. So if you're wearing a brown belt, think brown sandals or a matching bag. A red belt? Pair it with red shoes. These little connections make your whole look feel intentional and beautifully put together. I always recommend starting with 2 classic belt colors, black and brown plus red, for a bit of fun. These shades work with nearly every wrap dress out there and will effortlessly coordinate with most bags and shoes you already own. And here's the fun part, just swapping out the belt and accessories can totally transform your dress. That floral wrap with hints of red? Style it with a red belt and red heels for a sophisticated look. Or switch to a tan belt and woven bag for a relaxed boho vibe. Same dress, totally different feel. In the end, it's these thoughtful little touches that take you from simply dressed to absolutely glowing. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion insights designed specifically for confident women. Which of these wrap dress styling ideas excited you most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your favorite way to wear this incredibly flattering piece. Until next time, take care, stay confident, and remember, style isn't an age, it's a mindset.